how to enable high contrast mode on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable high contrast mode on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner. Just click on it and then click settings, and here you will find the web page, this one here, high contrast mode. And if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and then as you see, high contrast mode have been turned on. Now go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.